Hey everyone, welcome back to Serpstat. I know it has been quite a while since our last upload for an SEO tool review. And finishing that last series, of course, we went ahead and made preparations for our next one, and that comes today. But before we do, before we go on and discuss about, or before I tell you about the new tool or the new software that we're going to be discussing in this new series that we have, I just want to let you all know that here in Serpstat we have an awesome lead generation tool that it actually allows you or gets you white label audits for your website. And if you're interested in that, you can actually find a free guide that shows you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So I'm gonna leave this link on the description box down below. So if you want to check this out, I hope you do so, because you're gonna be benefiting a lot from this tool. So I'm gonna leave the link on the description box down below so that you can access this link faster towards or after you finish watching this video. But yeah, as I have mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing about a new tool or a new software in particular. And for this video, we're just going to be running over just a quick overview, let's say. So I'm going to introduce you to another series, and this is with Serpstat. So as you can see here, we are already on the landing page for Serpstat, and just to say something about this platform, Serpstat is actually, according to a review about Serpstat, it is actually a cloud-based search marketing analysis tool suitable for all industries and businesses of all sizes, particularly marketing agencies, e-commerce businesses, and pay-per-click campaign managers. So in Serpstat, you're actually able to collect keywords for SEO and PPC campaigns, get lists of competitor keywords, and compare keywords to performance indicators such as search volume, cost per click, competition level, or number of search results. So if you have been following all of our SEO series in the past, you would know that we have discussed similar tools with similar performance indicators, and Serpstat is among is actually one of the more popular ones in the market. So you can expect to learn a lot about this tool with this series that we are going to be making. And I just wanted to this is what you're gonna see once you go to their website, the landing page. So you see here tabs for features, solutions. So there are different solutions for different needs or different industries, and you also have Serpstat updates, blog, pricing. So we're gonna be looking at the pricing, just so you have an idea of what you can expect to pay for such a subscription. Hold on, let me just load that up. Here we go. So here are the pricing, the different pricing levels for Serpstat. You get light for $55, standard for $119, advanced for $239, enterprise for $399. And if you want to make, or if you have more needs, and if you want like maybe a custom package for you, then of course you can contact Serpstat and get them on board your preferred budget and requirements. So this is for let's say this is for a subscription for 12 months. So those pricing I've mentioned are monthly prices that you can expect to pay if you're going to be subscribing for a whole entire year. But because you know, if you subscribe for an entire year, you get 20% off. But if you subscribe for only a month, then you'd be getting it on regular price. So that's just something that I wanted to show you. Also, of course, the different inclusions depending on the different tiers that the subscriptions are available in. So you would want to check this out if you're thinking of subscribing. Of course, you gotta know what you're getting. So there are those. Of course, the main functions of the tool: rank tracker, keyword research, website analysis, PPC research, site audit, and so on and so forth. So those are the things that you can expect to get from Serpstat. So let's go back and just do like a quick tour of their website. So this is what you're going to see if you're not yet signed in. If you are signed in, then we're going to discuss that in a different video, in a separate video, because you will be going to a different, or you will be directed to a different page once you already are signed in. So you won't be seeing this page anymore. So here, I'm just scrolling down. Of course, the welcoming video, all-in-one SEO platform for professionals. So this is how the tool looks like once you're working on it. So of course, the different features and functions of Serpstat, some awards and recognition, who can benefit from Serpstat. So mostly digital marketing agencies, in-house SEO teams, SMB and enterprise, and anyone, they are correct, anyone who wants to make money with their website, literally. So some, what do you call this? Some reviews and testimonials. So that's it. That's what you will see on the landing page for Serpstat. So the next video that we'll be making, this one is just an introductory one. So the next video that we'll be making is a tour of, or a small tour of their dashboard. So do look forward to that, and I'm gonna see you on that next video. Of course, don't forget to drop by Serpis and check out that lead generation tool that I've mentioned earlier. And also, please like and comment on this video if you have any takeaways or you have any thoughts. Of course, just leave us a comment, and do subscribe here in Serpis in YouTube so that you can be notified if we have any uploads. That's it for me today, and see you on the next video.